Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. G'day, everybody. I'm here to announce the new Shachu family crest. I'm here with Flora, so you know that Flora is the winner. Congratulations, Flora.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll show everybody the family crest. Here is the winning entry. Can you see that, Flora? Mm-hmm. What's the name of it, Flora?
Oh, the name is Anzenso, but actually you found the name.
Well, that's not for sure, yeah? I think that's a working name. Flora, would you be able to unpack the design and what it represents?
When I was looking for a design for our phonetic crest, I was doing some researches about the term kabuki punk that you used when you were doing your lecture about Furuta Oribe. So I really love those words. So I tried to do researches about this. And of course, the really well-known symbol of punk ideologies is the safety pin. And it really represents, I think, really interesting ideas like egalitarianism, humanitarianism, gender equality, anti-racism, and even the free thought and the non-conformity. And it also has this practical use to be able to put two ripped clothes together. Apparently, it was the reason it was used at the beginning of the punk movement to promote the do-it-yourself fashion, for example. And so looking at it, I thought that it could be turned into an Enso shape, which will join our Zen approach about the tea ceremony. It was already converging, because both have in themselves the void philosophically. But then I was worried that the safety pin would have been used since the 1970s when it was used for punk, and it has been used. It was recent in 2016, and it was in UK after the referendum because there was a lot of hate crimes and racist crimes. And so people started to wear the safety pin as a symbol to show that they can be here to help to immigrants living in UK. So I was super happy about that because it was. I was scared it would have been used for a really bad reason, but it was the opposite. It has been used again for a super good reason. It was used again as a symbol because it was supposed to be something very simple, humble, and that you can find anywhere, and you don't have to buy any product to put on your clothes to use it. So I say, yeah, let's do it. And
represents our approach to dogu collecting too, somewhat, I think. Sick. I've got this is my shirt from the weekend. That's why it's all crinkled, more punk. But I've committed it to my shirt there, so it can be easily drawn. Being easy to draw. So if people want to do graffiti and let people know that Shachu was here, that was one of the requirements in my mind for the contest as well. So it's very easy to draw yourself as well, which I think is quite nice. And some other symbolism I saw, it links up quite well with the yin-yang symbol, but the two little dots which are a part of the yin-yang symbol, which sets the symbol off. and defines that symbol, also defines this symbol, because if those two pieces of void weren't there, we wouldn't be able to make out that it's a safety pin. So that's a happy reference. And also the Ouroboros, like the snake eating itself, the death and rebirth, also seems to be there with the obvious head of the safety pin and the tail of the point. So very profound symbology, very nice symbology. It hits all the marks wonderfully, and the originality out of left field. Like I think some other people entered the contest, including me, because I struggled with this for years before I put it out to everybody else. I'm trying to like limit myself to like geometry and things that symbolize stuff geometrically and whatnot. But you've just taken something that has absolutely no relation to any Japanese family crest and just gone boom, come from the reverse direction, which I think was really good. There we go. Voila, the winning entry. I think it's perfect. I love it. I love it. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.